Hi, this is Swati, and in this video, we will see what is trigonometry. Yeah, this is a very new chapter introduced in grade 10, but trust me, this is the most easiest chapter, I believe. So, in this chapter, in this video, I am going to explain you all the concepts of trigonometry. So, then you can easily go for the questions. So, what is a trigonometry? Here, trig means triangle and metry means measurement. So basically, trigonometry is the measurement of triangles, sides, and angles. As we know that triangle has three sides, three angles. So trigonometry is the measurement of all these three sides and the three angles. Now, firstly, let us understand basic base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse. And one more important thing, trigonometry deals with only right angle triangles. So let us see what are the three terms that are often used. So first, let me take this right angle triangle and let me consider this as angle theta. So as we know that the side opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse H. The side opposite to the angle, here the angle is theta. The side opposite to the angle is perpendicular P, and the third side is the base. Now, for instance, my angle is here on the top. Now, how can we differentiate? It doesn't change. The side opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the angle that we are considering. Here it is angle A theta. The side opposite is BC, which is the perpendicular. And the third side is automatically base. So these three terms you need to know it very well. So then your first exercise is sorted. Now, what are T ratios? Very, very important. T ratios are trigonometric ratios. We have 6 trigonometric ratios. Let me name them. Sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, and then we have another pair, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. Now here, the short forms, let me write the short forms. This is sine theta. This is cos theta. This is tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These are the short forms by which we can see in the textbooks. Now, first one is sine theta. Sine theta is, firstly, let me mention again, whenever you have these kind of questions, draw a right angle triangle, mention all these three sides. The side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse, opposite to angle is perpendicular, and the third one is the base. Now, sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H, which means it is AB by AC. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, which means BC by AC. So it's very easy to remember. You just need to remember sine and cos. Hereafter, I'll tell you how to do it. Now, tan theta is basically sine by cos. So P by H by B by H gets cancelled. It is P by B, which means AB by BC. Now, these three that we have, the T ratios on the right side, are the reciprocal of the left side. That means you just need to reverse. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, which is H by P, that is AC by AB. Secant is reciprocal of cos, that means H by B, AC by BC. Now, cot is reciprocal of tan, that is B by P, BC by AB. So, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios that you need to know it very well. These 3 terms and these 6 ratios. Your first exercise is sorted. Now, what are the reciprocal relations? Very, very important. Reciprocal relations, firstly, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So from this, sine theta into cosecant theta is 1. Next, secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta, which can be written as cos theta into secant theta is 1. Same, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, reciprocal of tan theta, which means cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Now, these are the ratios that we have already seen. Apart from these, very important, tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So this is how you can get tan theta. And cot theta, since we know tan and cot are reciprocal of each other, so cot theta is going to be cos theta by sine theta. So these are the reciprocal ratios. Overall, you just need to remember sine and cos, and the other four can be written from sine cos. I hope it's clear. Now, next important topic is identities, T identities, trigonometric identities, the most important. You are going to get 2 questions from this topic, which is the last exercise of your textbook. You have only 3 trigonometric ratios that you need to remember. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. One thing you can clearly see that all the identities have square in it. So whenever you come across any question which has square, you will definitely come across these identities. Without using identities, you cannot solve the questions. So it's very important you remember this. And suppose I want to find sine square, I can write 1 minus cos square. So you can also use it this way. So depending upon the questions. All right, next up is the last topic of this chapter, that is standard angles, trigonometric standard angles. Here you can see left side I've written all the T ratios and top are the standard angles. Now, how do I remember this table? It's very, very easy. You just need to remember the values for sine theta, and thereafter I'll give you the technique to remember. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. This line you should remember. Now, how do I write cos? Cos theta is just opposite of sine. I'm just going to write it from back. So this one I will place here. Root 3 by 2 I'm going to place here. 1 by root 2 will be here itself. Half is going to be written here and 0 is here. So I just wrote sine reverse. You will get cos theta. Now, tan theta, as we have already seen, tan theta is sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. Half by root 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, you get 1 by root 3. These 2 gets cancelled, you get 1. Again, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2's get cancelled, you get root 3. 1 by 0 is undefined. So whenever you have 0 in the denominator, it's always undefined. So remember this, 1 by 0 is undefined, but 0 by any number, it is always 0. Okay. Now cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So I'll just see the sign and write the reciprocal of it. Now 0, 1 by 0 is undefined. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2 is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3, and 1 by 1 is 1. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos. 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Again, 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 by 2 is 2. And 0 reciprocal is undefined, 1 by 0. Okay, last, cot is reciprocal of tan. 1 by 0 is again undefined. 1 by root 3 is root 3 by 1. And then 1 root 3 reciprocal is 1 by root 3. And undefined 1 by undefined is 0. So it's very easy to remember. And the questions of this is from the second exercise. If you know the angles, you just need to substitute in the question and you get the answer. So my next video is going to be PYQs, previous year questions of board exams. I'm going to discuss all of them in detail. Thank you. I hope you like this video and understand this video. Thank you.